Hello, this is Mark. It's May 25th, Memorial Day 2020. This is my outdoor hydroponic system. My previous video, I immediately called it an aquaponic system, and that is very incorrect. There is no fish in this system. So real quick, I painted this planter, which came out really nice looking. I added my Dutch bucket system, which I'll show you in a second. Raised bed's doing really good with the flood and drain. These 3 pepper plants I bought at a nursery, but everything else in here came from seed. My cucumbers, which I know they're kind of close together, but what's nice about this system is you can just pick everything up and just move it as you want to. My NFT system, I'm learning the hard way. I don't know how I missed it, but I thought I was going to be able to just grow lettuce out here like nobody's business. And I kind of am, but I lost a bunch right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That guy's almost dead. 5, 6, 7. I mean, they're struggling, and the reason is there's just too much heat, and I guess I missed it when I was engineering it. The lettuce can't handle too much sun, so I think I'm going to build a little shade over the NFT portion of this to help block out some of the sun. But it was a little discouraging, but I'm not giving up yet, and it's still early in the season. So my indoor lettuce, which I won't show you now, is doing amazing. Here's my finished Dutch bucket system with a bunch of auxiliary plants I haven't got homes for. I showed you these in the video, but here we go. It's a nice little drip coming out of there. Stick it right in the stem. And right there I taped on a 3/8 nut just to weigh it down so it doesn't want to blow or flop out of there. But this came out really nice. These 3 tomatoes are doing great. I got one guy who's struggling, and I think I'm gonna have to put this guy in as a pinch hitter right here, because he's struggling pretty bad. This is some squash. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I might plant in the ground. And these are some little cherry tomato plants that I bought, and these are some other pepper plants I bought. I don't even know what I'm doing with them yet, but they were cheap, so why not? That's it for now. Have a good day. Bye.